Last week we had a major rainfall, and as you see, a lot of the road washed away. This is an easement road as well, so our neighbor comes through here, and we want to make sure that we keep our neighbors as our friends, but as well for everybody else as well. We have 4 tons of gravel that is being delivered. And by the way, if you want to follow this hotel property renovation project, then follow and subscribe to this channel. Let's go! Want to see the full video? Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side.